Jay Sean. From the Bay to the UK. Come on, let's take a ride.
It's been about a month and 20 days, and we're going round and round playing city games. Now you're saying slow it down, not right now. Then you wink at me and walk away. Let it be, let it be, let it be known. Hold on, don't go. Touching and teasing me, telling me no. But this time I need to feel you. Ride it, we're all alone. Ride it, just lose control. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it,
See, the fact is she attractive. The way that she back it off, she bring it back, kid. She did it 3 times like a hat trick, and her ass got so many tricks. You can call it magic, my magic stick. Imagine this, I'm trying to make her glute stick on my glue stick. And if she jump on, then we gonna take a ride into the night. Turn the lights down every time she in my eyesight. I hollered at her and she came on down. Every time around, she don't wanna leave this ground. And when she swims in my soul, I make her drown.
touch my soul. Ride it, let me feel you. Ride it, turn the lights down low. Ride it, from head to toe. Ride it, touch my soul. Ride it.
See, her time is my time, and my time is her time. And every time we together, the time is right. Wherever, whenever, it's always nice. Share Indian time just to add some spice. They can say what they like, they can hate with their lines, but all I wanna hear is what's on your mind. And all I wanna see is curves in your spine. The way you swerve, make my shit incline. Don't stop, decline, don't stop, decline. Your body lines make my body hum, and I know for a fact that you love it this time.